In 2016, President Rodrigo Duterte promised to ride a jet ski and plant the Philippine flag in the Spratly Islands. According to Duterte, it was a pure campaign joke.
Nagyabang ako na pupunta ako sa Spratly. Magdalaga ako ng flag, sakay ako ng jet ski. Nagplano ako niyan. Bumili ako ng jet ski, ang kaya ko second hand lang. So nag-order ako ng pizza, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa dumating since then.
In his weekly public address, Duterte called those who fell for it stupid.
Panahon sa panahon sa kampanya yan. At saka yung biro na yon, yung we call it bravado. Yung bravado ko, was just a pure campaign joke. At kung naniniwala kayo sa kabila, pati na siguro si Carpio, pati I would say that you are really stupid.
He explained why it couldn't be done.
Maghanap ka ng tao dito magpunta ng jet ski. Hindi ako mag-abot pa ng ilang oras, I would conk out in the middle of the sea. Ang sabi nila, ang waves, ano bang waves sa Tagalog? Yung alon pala dyan kasing laki ng dagat. Sabi ko, mahirap ito.
The president revealed another reason. Duterte admitted he couldn't swim.
I was not taking lightly the sovereignty, but it's a pure joke actually. But just to emphasize na talaga, hinaloan ko lang ng biro. Ngayon kung if you swallow it, my God, hindi na ako mag-comment na. Sinong gago? Alam ba ninyo hindi ako marunong maglangoy? Kung matumbang yung yawa na pa, magkapakapa na ako. By this time, I would have been the late Rodrigo Duterte.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.